Hi folks, I just want to present my map with all my trips. It can be found on Adrian Calgary at blogspot.com. My trips are arranged in chronological order from number one until, let's see here, 347. As you click, for example, on, let's see a trip, my wedge. Yeah, it's loading now. Yeah, and so on. Let me just load a little bit more of this clip. Should go back now. So if you can see, I can zoom out all my trips. Let me go back arrow here. Let's see. So yeah, technically if I type Adrian Calgary at blogspot.com will take you there. Yeah, it's slowly loading up, as you can see. So thanks for watching, guys. This is a first attempt to use the photo booth to film. I'm still having obviously technical difficulties. Maybe one day it will work out and I can record more such videos.